Over the last few days, I've been in Jalalabad and surrounding areas. I've had the opportunity to meet with many Afghans who are being impacted by the closure of the border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Also, people who've recently returned from Pakistan to this area. And I also had the opportunity to meet with different women's groups and communities who are facing different types of challenges with their access to schools, to different types of education, and also to jobs. What all the people have been saying here is that the continued closure of the border is having a very serious impact on their economic situation, on their ability to trade and do their businesses. This was both men and women who have businesses here. We also heard about shortages of food and medicines that could come through the border. The UN, quite a few agencies, are supporting all the communities, the returnee communities, communities who have been displaced from the border area because of the ongoing clashes between the two sides. They're supporting healthcare, they're supporting different kinds of education, women's empowerment, also efforts to provide food and other types of life-saving assistance, particularly to people who have been impacted along the border. This is why the UN is pushing very hard for the border to be reopened, at least for humanitarian supplies, if not for trade and transit, because communities and people are being very seriously impacted.